In this video, I'll show you the best VPN for American servers and how it can help you access US-only websites, streaming platforms, and apps while keeping your connection secure and private. The VPN we'll be using for this tutorial is NordVPN, one of the fastest, most reliable, and feature-packed options available. You can use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. While following along, NordVPN has over 8,490 ultra-fast servers across 129 countries, including hundreds of servers in the United States, giving you plenty of options for connecting to an American IP. This is perfect for accessing US streaming platforms, online services, or any app that requires a US-based connection. You can also choose specialized servers for streaming, P2, P-sharing, or even servers optimized for double encryption to maximize privacy and security. To get started, download and install the NordVPN app on your device. Open the app and log in with your account. On the main dashboard, you'll see a map and a list of countries. You can either click Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest US server available, or manually select a specific server in the United States. This gives you full control over your virtual location and allows you to access American services as if you were physically there. NordVPN also includes advanced features designed to enhance both security and performance. The NordLynx protocol delivers maximum speed with minimal latency, which is perfect for streaming, gaming, or heavy browsing. Threat protection blocks malware, trackers, and ads, while CyberSec adds another layer of safety when browsing online. If you need a dedicated IP for secure banking or other platforms that flag shared VPNs, NordVPN provides that too. Once connected, your IP will appear as if you're in the US, letting you access geo-blocked websites, streaming platforms, or apps safely. NordVPN works seamlessly across Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and even some routers, so you can maintain fast and secure connections on almost any device. For anyone living in the USA who wants a fast, secure, and reliable VPN with easy access to American servers, NordVPN is the best choice. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start browsing safely and freely today.